The incredible benefits of castor oil, nature's timeless elixir for skin and hair. Today, let's explore the fascinating world of castor oil, a substance that has stood the test of time and earned its place as a revered natural remedy. Often referred to as nature's Botox, castor oil has been utilized for thousands of years by ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Romans. Its remarkable healing properties have transcended generations, making it a staple in natural beauty and wellness practices across the globe. But with its widespread use, one question inevitably arises. Should we be concerned about the potential toxins present in castor oil? While it's true that castor beans contain ricin, a highly toxic compound that is 6,000 times more poisonous than cyanide, it's important to note that the ricin is entirely removed during the oil extraction process. Castor oil, as we use it today, is safe, tested, and devoid of this dangerous substance. How castor oil transforms your skin. Castor oil is a true powerhouse when it comes to skincare. It possesses the unique ability to restore a youthful, firm, and glowing complexion, effectively addressing a range of skin concerns, from fine lines and wrinkles to dry patches and dullness. At the heart of castor oil's impressive skincare benefits is ricinoleic acid, a phytochemical that works as a deeply penetrating moisturizer. It locks in hydration, leaving the skin plump, supple, and revitalized. Many users report that after applying castor oil overnight, they wake up to noticeably smoother, more vibrant skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties are particularly helpful for calming irritated or inflamed skin. Whether you're dealing with acne, rosacea, or other skin conditions, castor oil's soothing effects can bring much-needed relief. Additionally, castor oil has been found to have antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent choice for combating bacterial overgrowth that can contribute to acne or other skin issues. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, castor oil offers protection against the damaging effects of UV radiation and environmental pollutants. It can also help in healing wounds and fading dark spots, promoting an even skin tone. The presence of vitamin A precursors, such as beta-carotene, further supports skin health by encouraging cellular regeneration, while minerals like magnesium and potassium enhance the skin's vitality. For those concerned with aging, castor oil's ability to stimulate collagen production makes it an indispensable ally in maintaining youthful skin. Whether you're addressing acne scars, stretch marks, or general skin aging, a few drops of castor oil massaged into affected areas can lead to visible improvements over time. Castor oil for hair, a natural solution for thicker, healthier. Locks castor oil isn't just a skincare miracle. It can also work wonders for your hair. Those struggling with hair loss or thinning will appreciate how castor oil can stimulate hair growth. Gently massaging it into your scalp not only nourishes hair follicles, but may also encourage the growth of new hair, especially in cases of alopecia. To further enhance its effects, apply castor oil throughout your hair to hydrate and restore moisture, leaving your strands feeling softer and more manageable. It's a powerful remedy for split ends and dry, brittle hair, and with regular use, you'll likely notice a significant improvement in the overall health and appearance of your hair. Many also use castor oil as a treatment for their eyebrows and eyelashes, promoting growth and thickness with consistent application. How to use castor oil. Application tips for skin and hair. Castor oil can be a bit thick and sticky, so it's often recommended to dilute it with other oils like coconut or olive oil for ease of application. However, many people choose to use it straight from the bottle. Simply apply a few drops to your fingertips and gently massage it into areas of your skin that need extra attention, whether it's dry patches, wrinkles, or scars. It's particularly effective when used at night, giving the oil time to deeply penetrate the skin while you sleep. For hair, focus on applying castor oil directly to your scalp to stimulate growth. You can also rub it through the length of your hair to nourish and hydrate it overnight. Just be sure to cover your pillow with a towel or use a shower cap to avoid any mess. Choosing the right castor oil. When selecting castor oil, quality matters. Opt for cold-pressed organic castor oil, which retains the maximum nutritional benefits. It's also crucial to avoid oils that have been treated with solvents like hexane. If you're looking for something even more potent, Jamaican black castor oil has gained popularity for its superior healing properties and is considered by many to be even more effective than regular castor oil. Safety and considerations. As with any natural remedy, it's important to exercise caution. Castor oil should be used with care, particularly around sensitive areas like the abdomen during pregnancy. While the oil itself is safe, it's known to have a stimulating effect that can potentially induce labor, so it's best to avoid its use in that context unless advised otherwise by a healthcare provider. In addition to its beauty benefits, castor oil is often used as a natural makeup remover, combining its cleansing power with nourishing effects for a dual-purpose application. A small amount mixed with other lotions or oils can help gently dissolve makeup, while also delivering additional skin benefits. Final thoughts on castor oil. In conclusion, castor oil is a fascinating paradox, a substance derived from a toxic plant that, when processed correctly, offers a multitude of health and beauty benefits. Its rich history and wide-ranging uses make it one of nature's most versatile and effective oils, from rejuvenating the skin to promoting hair growth. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature's beauty secrets, like castor oil, are just waiting to transform your skin and hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with us in the comments below. Take care and stay radiant.